time for Humongosaur.
Fine! That's better anyway! Hey, let me tell you something, missing alien prisoner. Nobody goes unless Wrath says they can go. Because Wrath goes before everybody. So no go, yo! Is that all you got, stolen plumber ship? Because Wrath's got tons more. In fact, I should give you some of mine so it'll be a fair fight. And after that, everything I gave you, I can take it back again and make you like it!
You know, Wrath is the only alien that makes me want to get a box of popcorn, kick back, and just watch.
Kevin, this isn't the time for... Okay, me too.
Give up, stolen plumber ship! You can't escape from Wrath! Crashing's good too! Wrath can crash all day! Oh, now you're using gravity! Well, forget it! Give up, gravity! You can't beat Wrath!
Ben, are you all right?
Let me tell you something, stupid Wrath-sized hole! Wrath will destroy you!
Oh, for crying out loud. Ben!
What? Sorry.
Guess the ship got away. Should be easy enough to find it.